frustrated, filled with hatred. Why does life have to be this way? I don't know, but I can tell you it's all worth the pain. And where will I ever see things change? We start today, cause the chair won't make way. Why are you heavy? Oh my soul, there's a fire inside my bones. Why are you heavy? Oh my soul, please don't cry no more. Please don't cry no more.